Hi guys, this is my sauteed mushrooms with bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Just simply stir fry onions, garlic, and add the bell pepper and the mushrooms and season it with garlic powder, paprika powder, black pepper, and chicken bouillon, and that's it. And just stir fry and add on the top this green chili. So this is now our sauteed mushrooms. Very healthy, yummy, and express cooking. Ideal for a healthy diet food. This sauteed mushrooms with bell pepper. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia's Kitchenette. Bye-bye.